I told you not to allow that mad woman stay in this compound. Hey, Chimo,
what happened to her?
It has happened though.
What happened?
Hey, come and see for yourself. Come. Drop.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay. Hey! What have I gotten myself into? I should have listened to my wife and sent that woman away. I couldn't have sent her away. Poor mad woman, heavily pregnant. What do I do now? Hi. Hey, how are they? How is the woman now?
They are all fine. 3 of them, they are fine. Yes, I'm rushing to the nurse now to call her, yeah? Just help me take care of them, I'll be back. I'm coming.
What did she do by 3 of them? Babies.
What is it? Why is staring at me? Where are they? You think I don't know? You think I don't know? Who took them away? You think I don't know? Open this door! 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 Open this door!
Prince, I was peeling some oranges for...
You shut up, you idiot! The very next time I ask for you, you leave whatever nonsense you're doing and come answer me. Are we clear on that?
Yes, my
Get out of here before I kill you!
Akala, what are you doing here? What happened? Akala, I'm talking to you. Can't you talk to me?
What is the matter?
You are asking me what the matter is. You are here when I was asking her what the matter is. She did not talk to me. You are the sister. You are in better position to talk to her. Ask her what happened.
Akala, please, calm down. Tell us what really happened. Eh? Talk to us now. What happened?
It's not Prince Ikenna. He sent me away from the palace.
Prince Ikenna sent you away? Why? Like, what did you do?
Now ask her.
I did not do anything, no. I did not do anything, no.
Hold it there. How can the prince send you out of the palace over nothing? Now tell me, was he the one that employed you as a palace maid in the first place?
Akala, please tell us the truth. Eh? What happened? Tell us, please.
Please leave me alone. I wonder what you and Papa want to hear from me. I just said Prince Ikenna sent me out of the palace and you're asking me what I did. I did not do anything. He said, Akala, pack your bag and leave the palace. I packed my bag now. I've returned to the house.
Okay, wait. Is the Igwe aware of your departure?
Papa, me, I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know? Whether you know or not, leave it for me. I will go to the palace and discuss with the king to find out what happened, what really happened. I want to go.
Papa, no need to stress yourself because me, I am not going back to that palace. I am not going back there.
Aburezioku. Asi. Akala, come back here. Akala.
Papa is talking to you and you just walk out.
Allow her. Now go inside and discuss with her. Because personally, I'm going straight to the palace to find out what happened. Whether she likes it or not.
Akala.
Good afternoon. Well, I am Ikenna. Prince Ikenna, actually. And what is your name?
Amarachi.
Good. Well, Amarachi, this is the second time I'm seeing you trying to persuade this mad woman to eat. Why is that?
I'm only bothered about her condition, so I bring her food every day.
Wow. Wow, now that is very impressive. That is to say you come from a very good home. So tell me, are you from around here? I mean, are you from this community?
No, I'm from Obayetiti Kingdom, a neighboring village.
Good. Well, I think I'll just allow you and the mad woman do your thing.
Stop it! Evil man! Evil man! Stop!
Hold her! Hold her! What's wrong with her?
Evil man!
another. I will get you another food. Give me the food flask. Give it to me.
And useless Prince Ikenna. Eh? What did he do? Do you know that Prince Ikenna forced me inside his room and threatened to kill me if I refused to sleep with him?
Akala, Prince Ikenna actually did that? But did you allow him?
Ma, what kind of stupid question is this one? Eh? Why would I allow him? Why? I forced myself out of the way. In the process, I even injured him. You're asking me if I did not.
Hey, you tried to have escaped from him. Now you're talking.
As if that wasn't enough. Do you know the one that is paining me the most? He threatened that he will frame me up if I refuse to leave the palace. My sister, I had to pack my things and come back to my father's house. My father is still alive. Okwaya?
And it's good to have you back, eh? And so, that means he will still be molesting other palace maidens.
Ma, hey, I did not tell you that one, no. I did not say anything like that, oh. I did not say anything like that, oh. It was you that said it, oh.
Oh, okay, oh. Okay, oh. Welcome back.
Hapugodi Prince Ikenna. How is Ndoka, your brother?
He's fine, no. He's okay.
Okay.
Akala, I need to start going. We'll see some other thing. Take care of yourself, oh.
I will.
Hey, greet Papa and your sister for me.
I will greet them, oh. I will greet them. Bye-bye, oh.
Bye.
Okay.
Eberechi.
Papa.
Come.
Papa, you are back.
Yes, I'm back. Where is Akala, your sister?
She went out immediately you left the house, and she has not come back.
Okay. Go and look for her wherever she is. She's going back to the palace immediately.
Papa, what happened? Did you meet the Igwe?
Yes, I met him. And he said that he was not aware of her departure. That she should return and resume her work immediately.
Akala, that girl is something else, Papa.
So what are we going to do now? No. Papa, good afternoon.
Yes, something. Off for me. Where are you coming back? Okay, now go inside there. Carry your bag and return to the palace right now. Come on.
Papa, I am not going back to that palace again.
Akala, are you not arguing with me? Now listen and listen good. I will not be here. Watch you loitering the streets, going here and there without doing anything. I want you to go back to the palace and resume your job. That is just all.
Papa, I'm not going back there. I'm not going back to that palace again.
Akala, you have to listen to Papa. He has gone to the palace and met with the Igwe.
He went to the palace and he met the Igwe. Did he meet Prince Ikenna? I came back here and I told both of you that it was Prince Ikenna that asked me to leave the palace. You're telling me to go back. Papa, nah, Gazi. I'm not going there again. I'm not going to that palace.
But you refuse to tell us what happened between you and the prince.
I'll tell you later.
Oh, you have to tell her later. Why can't you tell her now?
Tell me later. Start telling me now.
You are still hiding the facts from us. You don't want to expose yourself. You must have committed blunder there. That is why you are just packaging things on your own. Carry your bag and leave my house. Papa. Because I will not want you stay here and live with me here. Papa, it's not possible.
I'm not going back to that palace. I'm not going back to that palace.
Carry her inside. Let her teach you one.
Akala, let's go inside.
Leave my presence.
Akala, I'm talking to you.
Leave me alone. I'm not going back to the palace.
Papa, I'm going to beat this girl. I'll beat this girl in this house.
Please, I'm not pretty sure. Let me. What type of something is that? This girl must have committed something that she's hiding from us. But I will find out to do this.
Hey, I'm here. Come here. Both of you. Here. Quick! Now, what were you two discussing over there?
We are just...
Shut up! What else do you want to tell me if not lies? Now, the both of you, under the sun. Now! Move! Now, both of you, kneel. I said kneel! The both of you are going to remain here until I am satisfied. If you try to cheat, I'll break your head. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
What the hell are you doing here?
Ikenna, hold on. Are you the one that told the maid and the guard to stay outside the palace under the scorching sun and serve punishment?
And do I have to seek permission from you before I punish offenders in this kingdom?
Ikenna, what is wrong with you? What offense could those people have committed? Why do you keep treating the maidens and the people here like they're animals? These people are human beings.
Ugonna.
What is it?
Ugonna! Stay away from this and mind your business. Now get out of my room.
Ikenna, I'm going to release those people and tell them to get back to their posts.
You dare not. You dare not. Else you get into trouble with the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. And what's funny? Now tell me, what's funny?
Ikenna, stop it now. Stop it, please. Please, stop it. I'm going to set those people free. Stop. You're making noise. Stop it.
Ugonna, don't try me. Don't try me. I'm warning you. Don't try me.
What would you do?
Ugonna, don't try me.
What would you do?
You know me very well. You know what I can do. Don't try me.
Since you were born, you have done nothing.
Ugonna, don't try me. Ugonna! Ugonna, don't try me. I don't think you know who you are, because if you knew who you are, you'd be more humble. That's boy. I'll deal with you. I promise I will deal with you.
Why is Ikenna behaving like that? Like, why is that guy like that? He's not even behaving like his brother Ugonna.
I don't know why he behaves like that. But all I know is that he will suffer in this life. He will suffer.
I heard he was disgraced yesterday by a mad woman.
Are you serious?
Yes, so he was disgraced and messed up by a certain mad woman.
It hasn't started yet. He will suffer. He will continue to suffer. Iberi, do you know that that Prince Ikenna is very wicked? He's wicked and heartless. You will not even believe it, how he maltreats all the palace maidens and guards, and nobody says anything about it. They don't see anything wrong with it.
Why?
Simply because he has Queen Obieze's support. When Ugonna says anything, nobody listens to him. They don't even want to hear him talk.
Maybe that's the reason why he's behaving like that. That's the reason why he's misbehaving.
Well, all I know is that he will suffer. This is just the beginning now. I even told him to his face. You know your sister now. I told him to his face that he will suffer. He will. Don't worry. We will see what will happen.
My sister, please don't mind him, you hear? Where is Papa?
Papa is inside.
Okay, let me go and meet him.
All I know is that he will suffer in this life.
I've come to you because I'm not happy with the way Ikenna treats the maidens and guards in this palace.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
He molests them, treats them as if they're animals. These are human beings.
Is that so?
Yes.
So how is that your business? What is your bother about mere maids and guards? Are they your kinsmen or something?
Hey, mother. What's going on here?
Ogonaya here just reported you to me. That he does not like the way you treat the maids and the guards.
What? Ogonaya, how many times have I warned you to stay away from everything that concerns me in this palace? How many times?
Ikenna, stay out of this, huh? This does not concern you in any way. I wasn't talking to you. So please. Huh?
What?
Mother, why are you laughing?
Please don't mind me, my dear. But should I cry? Would that make you happy?
Is that all you have to say about all that I have told you? I don't understand why you are still laughing. It's a serious issue.
What else do you want her to say? No, tell me. What else do you want her to say?
What's your problem? What is your problem? Was I talking to you?
Ogonaya, you're very foolish. You're very foolish.
It's okay, stop.
You call me foolish?
Oh yes, I did. What will you do? Fight your future king? No, tell me. No, mother, just allow me to...
Shut up! I just said it's okay.
Mother, you sit here and watch my kid brother call me foolish, and you do nothing about it.
Should I beat him?
I see. No problem.
Yes, run along. No, I don't understand why this boy is just involving himself in things that has to do with me. I don't get it.
It doesn't have anything to do. It doesn't have what to do. That is all that means.
One day I will kill that boy. I swear to God, one day I will kill him.
Mma, what is it? Why are you laughing?
Ebere, your sister is too much. There is no one like her in this village.
I don't understand. What happened?
I have found out the true story concerning her departure from the palace.
How? What do you mean by true story?
Your sister lied to me that Prince Ikenna nearly raped her.
My sister lied to you? Eh? How do you know she lied? Were you there? Onya Asere, were you there?
Oh, don't come for me, oh. It was Nkechi that told me that her boyfriend, Chibuzo, who is the palace guard, told her how your sister wanted to seduce the prince before she was caught.
My sister tried to seduce the prince. Mma, do you understand what you are saying?
Yes, I know what I am talking about. Go and ask her to tell you the truth. If not that I'm not a bad person, I would have told Nkechi what Akala told me. And if Prince Ikenna gets to hear it, she will be in trouble.
I hope you understand what you are saying. Because I'm going now to tell my sister and you know how she behaves. Onya Asere, don't worry.
You better go and ask her. Oh. Go and ask your sister and find out the truth. Though. I have delivered my own message. What were you saying inside?
Ma said you were caught trying to seduce the prince. That was the reason why you were sent away. Akalo, is that true?
Akalo, I'm talking to you. Is that true?
How dare Uma say such a thing about me? I am going to confront that girl and she will get it hot from me. She's going to get it very, very hot.
What is it?
Papa, nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa. Nothing.
But I heard you shouting. Are you sure there's nothing?
All is well.
Sure?
Yes, Papa. Nothing. Everything is okay.
Okay, you say so.
Like I said before, I am going to confront that girl and she's going to get it very, very hot from me.
Rubbish. Akala, come back here. Akala!
Don't call me.
Akala,
Don't call me.
You come back and miss me.
EJ, the scholar. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, I was at the palace this morning to see the Igwe, and I discovered that the king is not feeling well. His situation is deteriorating. However, the Ezemos is there. He brought some medicine for him.
Oh no. Igwe has indeed come of age, and that is the reason he suffers from one sickness after the other. By now, you ought to have nominated who his successor will be.
You are right there. That was one of the reasons why I paid him that visit. Unfortunately, his condition did not allow me to discuss with him. But I will sit with him as soon as he gets better.
It's very important. The lady said it's dangerous. Now that he has the opportunity, let him tell us who amongst his two sons shall succeed him to the throne to save this kingdom from anarchy. Bikokwe. Oh no.
The gods will not allow such a thing to befall us.
He said, oh no. Ekaraka. Oh, ebenye kumaka. Okugi kwato. No. Let me take my leave now. Send me well to your family.
I will. Thank you very much. You know you are always welcome. Okay. Odogu.
What did you tell my sister?
What did I tell your sister? What kind of stupid question is that? My friend, get out of my way.
My friend, stay there. Oh, So it is me that is asking you a stupid question. Okwaya? And you're even trying to walk away from me. Ngwanu, pass, let me see you.
What did you do?
Pass, let me see you.
Okay.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? What did you do? Are you... What did you do?
Wait. Stop.
Allow me.
What is it, man?
Allow me.
No. What is it?
Because your brother is here. No, come. This stupid.
Stop.
You're very shameless.
Why you bought it? What is it? Why you fighting?
Ask your stupid and useless sister. Ask her. I'm better warn this useless girl you call sister. So stop spelling my name in this place. Sorry. I will kill her. You cannot do anything. I cannot do anything. You cannot. Let me remove your teeth. I will remove your short teeth. You will remove my teeth. I will kill you in this village.
Go. Sorry.
I will kill you.
Go. Sorry. Ma, have you lost it all? Why are you fighting on the road?
Brother, you would have allowed me to finish her.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up before I slap hell out of you. Fighting on the road. Now pick this cutlass, let's go. Come on! Let's get out of here. Who is Bonyala? Fighting on the road.
Brother, you would have allowed me. Let me cut off her head.
Wow, NK, feels good to see you.
Same here.
You look so beautiful.
Really?
As always, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I brought your food.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, just a moment. Let me go and finish with what I was doing. Okay. I'll be right back. All right.
Thank you, son.
You look very alive today, Dad.
That's
I
true.
trust you slept well.
Sure. I did, and Eczema's medicine helped me so much. Thank you. Son, you are good.
Thank you, Dad.
And I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. I also cannot wait for you to come off this sick bed.
Excuse me, I would like to have a brief from the beautiful husband.
No, it's fine, Dad. I'll see you soon.
Oh, yes, I'm good. I'm okay.
I actually came to discuss something very important with you.
I am not in the mood for any discussions now.
It's okay. I think I'll take my leave.
Obieze.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Send for Uno. Tell him I want to see him this afternoon.
All right. But why is he sending for no?
Chibulo told me that the Igwe is very sick.
It's true. He's very sick. My father even took some herbs to him. I'm sure there'll be an improvement by now. You know how strong and effective my father's herbs can be.
Yeah, I know.
But my friend, I'm worried.
About what? What happened?
See, I don't know when the Igwe will announce his successor, so I will know who's going to be my husband.
Husband? I don't understand.
What do you mean by you don't understand? Are you now a novice in this community? Eh?
I don't understand.
Who doesn't know that as the Ezemo's daughter, I am originally betrothed to the heir apparent.
No, forgive me. I just understood now. I understand what you're talking about. Forgive me.
Can you be saying this now?
As someone. Anyway, who else will he go nominate now? If not his first son, Ugonna.
My friend, you're right. I like Ugonna. I like him more than Dikeh now. Every day I'll be thinking of how I'm going to be in his arms, how he's going to hold me as his wife, how I'm going to serve him breakfast, his masculine looking body, and you know,
Love. Are you serious?
My friend, you don't understand though. You don't understand. Eh?
Anyway, I pray the gods grant you your heart desire.
Hey, my friend, that's no longer a prayer. The gods have destined it, and no mortal can stop it. I'll be looking all hot in the palace, moving around like this, like this, and with my queen, my queen. You know?
And this is like if you wear your clothes, it will fit you very well.
Oh, God. You know.
I know.
You know.
He's there with him. I don't know why he goes to see him all the time.
Well, I know why. He goes there to incite father against me.
Right, my son.
Giving him the impression that I am a bad son. Well, you and I know the reason behind his actions.
You're right, my son. You are absolutely right. That boy is freaking me out. It's driving me nuts.
Mother Ugonna has bitten more than he can chew. And one day, just one day, I will show him what I'm made of.
I like the sound of that.
And you, what did he tell father? I am talking to you. What did he tell my father about me?
Why are you shouting? Am I the one you are addressing as you? Is everything okay? What are you talking about?
Don't pretend you don't know what I am talking about. For you know exactly what I am talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about. Mother, please, can you let me know what is going on here? Your son is clearly upset about something.
Pretense! Pretense! That is the only thing you're good at. Now listen, I know your every move in this palace. I have got my eyes on you. Just know that.
Again. Stand here, I want to talk to you. First off, I'm not your mate. When you talk to me, you watch your tone. I am your senior and I deserve respect, a lot of it, from you in this palace.
Senior, my fault. I know the politics you play around father. And in your head, you think one day, just one day, you will wear the crown of this kingdom. Well, senior brother, good luck in your quest. Yes, mother.
I would like you to be very careful the way you behave towards your father.
And why is that?
Because I would like him to recommend you as his successor.
Well, I'm not afraid of that. Yes. As a matter of fact, mother, I have been meaning to tell you something.
What is that, son? Hope there's no problem.
Well, it's about a woman I met the very day the mad woman messed up my clothes. I think I like her.
Who is she? Do I know her?
You don't know her, mother. But I like her. And I want to bring her home for you to meet.
I hope she's beautiful.
Of course, mother. Very beautiful. As a matter of fact, she's like an angel from heaven.
Don't say.
Of course. You should trust your son, mother.
Let's hear that.
Mother. So,
hey. It's okay. I'm not taking the car today. I just want to walk around the community. On foot.
Who can tell me who I am? What is really wrong? Hey, Abumonye. Why all these hatred? Kediye jiri mama si emejoro monye. Akwa bimo akamudi yocha chiwo benye biya.
Greetings, my friend.
Greetings. Mara, how are you?
I am fine. So you still remember my name?
Of course. I can forget every other thing in the world, but not your name. By the way, I have been here for over an hour now, hoping that you will show up.
You've been waiting for me?
Oh yes, I have.
Hope all is well.
All is well, Amarachi. You see, I told my mother about you, and she asked me to bring you home. That is why I came out here very early to wait for you.
My prince, please, if it's about what the mad woman did to you the last time, I'm deeply sorry. Please don't take me to your mother, please.
Hey, come on, come on. Stand, please. Stand up. It has nothing to do with the mad woman, okay? I just thought about you and she asked me to bring you home.
Are you sure?
I am very. Oh, she's off again.
Stop! Don't attack him again. If you try it, I will never bring you. I'm so sorry, my prince.
It's a good thing you have everything under control. I'll be waiting inside the car. Okay?
I'll be with you shortly.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Destiny can only be delayed, but must surely come to stay. Yes,
have met her severally on this road. There is something about her. Her mode of dressing makes her unique. I think she's one of these born-again Christians. And I also think she's not from this village. The next time I see her, I'll try to get to know her.
Now sit, make yourself comfortable. You're welcome to my house. Huh? Good.
I should sit.
Oh yes, please sit. Good. Just give me some time. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Stay. Good.
Greetings, my queen.
Princess, how are you?
I'm fine, my queen.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Good.
So, what's your name and who are your parents?
My name is Amarachi, daughter of Mazi Ogwefi from APETE Kingdom.
APETE Kingdom.
Yes,
you're welcome to my home.
Mother, what do you think about her?
I kind of like her. She's beautiful. I guess I'll be leaving you both now. I will join you later, alright?
Very well then.
Give her something to drink and make her comfortable.
Of course.
Excuse me.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
You make yourself comfortable, alright? Feel free. Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mother. Please, sit. Make yourself comfortable. So, what do I offer you? We have everything in this palace. So what do you want?
Anything. Just anything.
Anything you say. Good. I'll get you anything. Huh?
Thank you.
Maidens! Sometimes they're not around, you know. Sometimes, yeah, they have to give me my space. I'll be right back. Where is everybody? Maidens! You see, I'm happy. My mother likes you.
Thank you, my prince.
So tell me, what is your relationship with the mad woman that makes you bring her food every day?
There's no relationship with her. Yes. I met her one day on my way home. I saw her eating rotten food. I felt really bad for her. I had to stop her from... I had to rebuke her to stop what she was doing. To my surprise, she obeyed me and started begging me for food. And then I had to rush home to get her some food. And that was how it all started.
Interesting. So do your parents know about this?
No, I didn't tell them. Even the food I brought to her, I did all in secret.
That's very tough. Very tough.
Thank you, my friends.
start going home. My parents will soon.
Very well. You can just hop into the car. I will go.
Don't go back.
Very well, then let's go. So, yes, you said you have something to discuss with me.
Yes, my husband. I want to ask you for a favor.
Okay. I'm all ears. You know, I will do anything for you because you have been a very good wife to me.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, and you have always been a very good husband to me. I heard that as soon as you're going to nominate your successor and you're going to be presenting him before the Council of Elders.
Yes. I have not set a date for that. But why are you anxious about that?
I want Ikenna, my son, our son, to succeed you. I'm begging you. You said that.
What about Ugonna?
Your Majesty, you and I know that he cannot succeed you. I am begging you, please do this for me.
Stop. Ugonna remains my first son.
Your Majesty.
I said stop.
Oh no. Oh no.
Welcome. My queen, you are here.
Yes or no? I came so that we can talk. It is important we talk. Because even maybe Narem, let us talk.
Okay. Let me go in and get seats for us to sit. Please hurry. Okay.
What kind of queen are you? Aburaki si chopadi.
Greetings. Adab. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. How are you, my prince?
I'm doing all right. Where are you ladies headed?
Nkechi came to see me in my house, so I'm escorting her to her house.
I see. How is your father?
My father is always good. My prince, you look good though.
Thank you. You look good too, sir. Yes, you come. Come, please. Come, stand there. How are you? Very well. What is your name?
My name is Victoria.
Victoria. Victoria, are you a born-again Christian?
By His grace, I am.
I can see that clearly because of what you're holding on your hand.
My prince, your beard is not well.
What would it take to become a born-again Christian, Victoria?
All you need is just to accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and personal Savior. Believe in God, forsake all your evil ways, and be baptized in the Holy Ghost. That's all.
Baptism by the Holy Ghost?
Yes.
Sounds quite interesting.
Prince, I'd love to invite you for a church program we're having this weekend. You can come around so you could learn more about Jesus Christ.
I'll do the best that I can to attend.
Alright. Brother, you too. You're invited as well. Alright, my prince.
Thank you, Victoria.
Bye.
You know that I love you. But you would agree with me that this Father, I love you, but this is hard to take. You know. I'm so heartbroken. Someone should have at least told me something all these years. I've constantly looked at Obieze as my mother, loved her like my mother. But I just knew something was off. Daddy, you should have told me. I am hurt.
It's okay, my son.